infinite power.
Okay, so what is up, guys? And for my first video back to YouTube, I will be flying my Phantom. So I already did the flying because I didn't feel like doing the intro. So yeah, sit back, grab some popcorn, and yeah, enjoy. And by the way, I will be doing a fidget spinner and fidget cube giveaway. So if you are interested in any of those, comment down below. And it hasn't started yet, but tell me if you want a fidget cube or a fidget spinner. And if you were like the only one who wanted a fidget cube and then nobody else wants it, then you'll probably get the fidget cube. Or if you're the only one who wants a fidget spinner, you'll probably be the only one getting a fidget spinner. So I'm only giving away one of each, but if we can get this video to, say, 10 likes by Tuesday, then I'll throw in another fidget spinner. So sit back, grab some popcorn, and enjoy the ride. And one last thing before you go, if you win, I will have to DM you on Instagram or Snapchat you. So my Snapchat will be right there, and then my Instagram should be right there, or they might be anywhere on the screen, but yeah. So that is how